Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry for the lack of videos. Been kind of busy, finals and everything. I still have finals going on, but um, I have been trading while this week has been pretty slow in my opinion. Like I mean, like from here it was pretty slow. So, um, what I did take was okay. So I don't really hold. I've never hold overnight. I am specifically a day trader, but this setup. Why do I have this? I was thinking of making another video, but this setup was so amazing right here, and then the breakout right here yesterday. I didn't make a video yesterday, but this is what we were looking for because previously you see the same algo, this red algo, that was what called the top right here, and I made a video about this like a week. I made a video about this on whenever that week, so the 15th week, so last week. I think is this last week. I have no track of time. Okay, yeah, probably the week and a half before. I did make a video of this if we reached the top or not, and that was what supported my thesis or theory at that time was this tapering that we always saw, right? And unable to break out of it, right? So yeah, so the same thing you saw right here, right? So that really got me to take an overnight position yesterday, and it paid out really good today. This massive drop from at least four points, right? 40 points, and then that was pretty much it for me today. But I'm gonna also show you intraday stuff and what you could have seen, right? And then again, you have this tapering purple that we are brought down by, so we build enough risk to reward, right? And then we have drops like this, right? The last trade of the day, right? And test this 50-day moving average, the green, I believe it's the 50. Don't come for me. Yeah, it's a 50-day moving average. So we found support right here, bounced off right here a little. So we have to see what the market does. Preferably, I wanted to build more liquidity, probably a chop a little, or if it wants to keep heading down, it'll open up below the 50-day and then have some sort of inverse cup tomorrow to bring us down, right? Um, so it'll be the same as this, right? Inverse cup off of teal, right? I haven't even ate today, bro. I've been so busy. Okay, same thing with the 5-day. 5-day gives it a pretty clear structure, right? Um, we couldn't break out this purple right here clearly, right? So that was the telltale sign, and then this was the inverse cup. This what actually I did trade this, this inverse cup right here, right? Um, Pretty good trade. Last trade right here, all the way down, right? I'm gonna show you that intraday. So you could have taken this also off this yellow, right? But if you didn't like the setup with this blue, or it was too big of a candle, right? I didn't really trade that. Um, but so then I just waited patiently. I basically was on TikTok the whole day. I'm not. Okay, that's a cap. I wasn't on. I was just like working on other stuff, studying and stuff. So like that gave me opportunity, right? And then I was waiting for this setup right here, right? This inverse cup right here. All this breakdown right here, right? I don't know why I don't have yellow on here, right? So it's basically the yellow algo right here. Um, that brought us down, and the break of yellow right there, and pretty safe trade right there, and paid out really good for me. Um, what was my entry? I forgot my entry. But it was pretty good. And again, when you are headed down, we always tend to retest the previous supports, like this tapering support. So we retested that, then had this other big move right down right there, right? So then you just call it the 50-day was right here, right? You could have held some runners to 50-day, right? And had a stop loss set at least here, right? But yeah, you could have had some runners down here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And this last bit doesn't really count. That's the last 10 minutes I don't really look at. But yeah, anyways, guys, this is a short video. I'm also going to show you guys the next moves up or next moves downs, right? I'm going to show it to you right now. So if we do head up, we are building this great liquidity, especially if we bounce off this 50-day right here, right? Off right here, purple. So basically close this cup at 543 and then have some sort of handle of purple. Then close this big cup right here at 544, 545, right? Then we're just gonna go level by level at this level, 548 level, 549 level, and then yeah. So that's basically the play. If we are headed back up, we find some sort of support here, or if we do chop. Honestly, I do hope for a chop and see the market build great liquidity for us to build better risk reward, or yeah, or we can just reject from here as well, the 50-day right here, right? So let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow will tell us everything, right? Tomorrow's a pretty important day, and yeah, just 5-day has crossed below the 20-day, so it is some sort of bearish indication, but wait for the 5-day to cross the 50-day as well, um, for the complete confirmation, as well as a retest of 5-day of some sort, right? So then you can keep using the 5-day as resistance, right? 5-day moves up, moves down, and the price moves down with the 5-day, right? So yeah, so see about that, and if we are headed down, like I said, we are gonna complete this inverse cup tomorrow, some sort of microstructure right here, and you could take it down. I can show you the daily chart. See like the next support. Okay, so right now we are at this support area right here, right? So I am hoping for some sort of handle. If we do have a handle, right, we move down from here, right? Or we could simply just push up from here, right? Um, but yeah, let's see the market, how it present itself to us, and don't be confirmed short, don't go long on shorts. um, we're not fully confirmed yet. Once you confirm, then you can start taking positions. But what I told you guys right here, like when we taper, right, it is a great spot to like take some sort of like small puts, quantity of puts. Yeah, and it's basically a lottery, right? um, but yeah, when you notice this type of rate tapering, especially off this red, right, um, it's a pretty good idea to take, or it's a pretty, if you're in profits, it's a good idea to take a little bit of a lottery pick. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much and have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.